Well, Saturday morning, March 7th, and it looks like I woke up to maybe 3 inches of snow here in Fairbanks so far, and it's still coming down. Coming down. I haven't went metal detecting since last weekend, so I'm gonna see if I can't make it somewhere and see if we can't find something. Alright, so let's get there and see if we can get started. Yeah, the roads are pretty bad. I don't think a lot of people would be out doing what I'm doing, risking everything just to go metal detecting, at least at, you know, a playground. But hey, love the thrill of the hunt. That's what it's all about. It's exciting. Well, it's snowing pretty good here. It's real fine, but it just keeps coming down and it really accumulates. I'm probably overdressed. I think it's like 28 degrees above zero, so yay! Alaskan heat wave. Alright, so I'm gonna get my gear, get on over here, and we'll see what we can find. You just never know. Alright guys, hang on a second. Can't wait till this snow melts away. I keep hearing some crazy noise over in the woods, like somebody's whooping. But it's 7 a.m. It's kind of weird. Getting my first target. 44, 45. I figure it's going to be some nice big chunk of aluminium or aluminum. Alright. Looks like I'm going to have to dig, so I'll get back with you. That was a pretty good guess. That's what it was. But hey, you got to dig them if you want that good stuff. Not sure if that was coming in or not, so anyways, on to the next. You know, typically here in Alaska, especially in Fairbanks, when it gets so cold here in the wintertime, when it snows, the snow isn't like the snow in the lower 48. You know how you can pack up a snowball? Well, here it's like dry powder. It kind of, every now and then we get a good wet snow, but typically it's like, I don't know, like a dry powder, like sand almost. But this snow here, it's got a lot of wet. When I put my coil through it, it sticks to it. Makes it real heavy. Anyways, it's probably because it's so warm. Alright, we'll keep looking. Getting like 57 to 60. Typically that's usually a nickel or a, oh what, here was something. What do we got here? Ah, it's just a hair clip. Like a leopard pattern. That's kind of weird. Alright. Hey, I'm finding targets. Getting to dig up stuff. I'm loving it. Got another target. Pinging a solid 83. Guessing a penny or a dime. I moved it. Oh, there we go. And it is a penny. Okay, so I'm not calling these stinking Lincolns anymore because I'm going to give Abraham Lincoln a little bit of respect. I'm going to call these Zinkins. Or just a penny. Cool. I love finding coins of any kind. Sweet. Let's keep looking. Yeah, more trash. Juicy fruit gum. Hey, my favorite. Zipper pulls. Just keep looking. Okay, so I rechecked my hole like we were supposed to do. Was getting another signal. Here's another zipper pull right under the first one. Alright, let's keep looking. So I guess that's a zipper pull spill. Alright. I finally found something besides a penny. I think I found 5 pennies so far. My first big change. So sweet. Let's keep looking. I've been working on a big coin spill here. Whoever was on this swing dumped change. I found 2 dimes, a nickel, a whole bunch of pennies, and now I'm getting a quarter signal. So let's dig this. Alright, first big money of the day. Quarter. Dun dun dun. Pegging a solid 47, so I'm really curious what this is. Most of the aluminum foil I've been digging up is in the lower 40s. That doesn't mean it's not trash. Oh, look at there. It is trash. What the heck is that? Looks like a baggie with some chocolate wrapped up in aluminum foil. We'll dig that out and throw it in the trash. Now I'm getting another solid 87 here. More than likely it's a quarter. I get excited when I see these high numbers. There you go, it's a quarter. Wasn't too deep, so it must have been freshly dropped. Alright. I think I found over $1 so far. So sweet. Alright, let's keep looking. Hey, more big money. Wish I could find a silver one. Getting another quarter signal. Oh, there you go. Look at there. That was easy to find. Frozen. 82. Don't know what to do. Alright, we're going to work our way over there. Do those swings and slides, and then we're going to work our way to the car. Okay, so I just found the quarter a couple swings down. Check this out. It was just at the end of the row here. Looks like a necklace, maybe? It's hard to dig these things like this out of the snow because you can't see where they're at. Oh, it's pretty long. Oh. Wow. Okay, I think I might have found the end of it. Easy. Leah Sophia. So you know that's nothing. Just a pretty chain. Alright, so let's see if we can finish digging this sucker out. Oh, there we go. so up here's the top. It looks like it's all kind of looped up, but anyways. Pretty cool. We'll check it out closer when we get home. Cool. I think that might be my first necklace for 2015. Sweet. Alright, let's keep looking. So while I'm walking over to this part of the playground, you know guys, I have a couple other channels on YouTube. One's kayaking in Alaska, and I just started another one called Alaska Motorhome. So if you could, please go and subscribe and see some of the crazy adventures. When I first started kayaking, the reason was I wanted to take my metal detector and kayak to some remote spots here in Alaska where I know there's a lot of prospector cabins and places like that. So anyways, part of that plan was to get a motorhome so I could travel out to these kind of places that are remote and stay a couple days at a time and really be able to search around. So it's kind of interesting, all three channels are going to tie together. I'll be actually motorhoming places so that I can kayak to go metal detecting. So it should be an interesting summer, and looking forward to going camping with my buddy Archeo Digger too. Alright, let's get busy looking. Okay, I'm about done. A whole bunch of little birds in these trees. Alright, let's get out of here. Found a whole bunch of change and a little necklace. That's pretty cool. Alright, so daylight savings time starts tomorrow, and so I probably won't have to hunt in the dark anymore. I won't have to wear this headlamp unless I do some night hunting. Snow's getting pretty deep. Snowed about that much, I guess, last night. Alright, let's get over to the car. And, of course, I'm going to get some coffee. Somebody commented on one of my videos, "You sure like coffee?" Well, after you've been out in the cold for 3 or 4 hours, it's just kind of nice. Plus, you know, these little drive-through coffee shops are kind of addictive. You know, you go in there and you get a quad shot, so it's like 5 coffees in this one cup, and then they make it just so good. My nickname for it is liquid candy or mother's milk, because you can just drink that whole thing down, and it's probably got thousands of calories. It's probably not good for you, but sure is good and hot. Alright, this is Randy Smith Middle School here. I was just over at Ann Ween Elementary. I like to hunt this in the summertime. I found a lot of rings around those basketball courts over there, and they got a big track and field thing up there. Can't wait for spring. Alright, let's get this gear put away, and I'll meet you guys at the roundup. Okay guys, here's everything I found today. Welcome to the roundup. Bunch of aluminum foil. Found me a pumpkin spice tea bag. Couple buttons, couple zipper pulls, couple things that go in little girl's hair. Found 4 quarters, 5 dimes, 3 nickels, and 8 pennies. And I found this Leah Sophia necklace. It's not marked anywhere silver, but still, it's jewelry. Alright guys, that's it. Hope everybody's having a good season so far, and hopefully that snow's melting down there and you can get out. Till next time, good luck and happy hunting, guys.